Good morning, guys. I wanted to share with you this healthy Chipotle-like meal. I cut up some red onions, some cilantro, and some Roma lettuce. I got it out of this organic Greek Caesar salad or organic Caesar salad kit. So yeah, this is baby romaine lettuce. I got the lettuce, the cilantro, the onions. I have some organic diced green chilies. And I'm about to put this Spanish style rice with quinoa, red bell peppers, and corn. It's certified organic. I actually got this from Kroger's. You microwave it for 90 seconds and it's done. And I'm going to pair that with some organic refried pinto beans and roasted chili and lime. I'm going to put this all together, and this is going to be my vegetarian Chipotle-esque bowl for today. It's going to be so good and yummy, packed with really great fiber and protein and vitamins and minerals. And this is just a really, really good filling meal. I'm about to show you how I put this together. So I'm going to take this Spanish style rice and I'm just going to pour some out. Y'all know how hard it is for me to pour stuff and film. Hold on. Alright, so I got the rice and it has the quinoa, the red peppers, and the corn. So yummy. Now I'm going to take some of the romaine lettuce. I probably could have put that at the bottom, but it doesn't matter what order it goes into me. So I'm going to put some of that. Put some cilantro, put some onions. I like a lot of onions, so I'm gonna put a couple more onions. Then I have these refried beans that also have flavoring in it. I'm gonna put a big old dollop, get in there, have a little more. Big old dollop on there. You know how you gotta like scrape the spoon and stuff. Ooh, just looks so yummy. So I got all on there. Now, if you're a vegetarian, you can just leave this. I need a little bit of dairy, so I'm gonna put a dollop of sour cream, and this is organic sour cream, by the way. Then I also have some cheese. And I'm just going to put a tiny little bit of cheese on the top of there. And I'm just going to put a dollop for spiciness. Now, I'm the only one in my house, so I can mix spoons. But for spiciness, I'm going to put some chilies on there. And this is about to be so good. We got the rice, the romaine lettuce, the cilantro, the beans, the sour cream, the cheese, and the green chilies. Now you can definitely powder this up to look a lot more cuter than this. I'm just hungry. I ain't got time.